Narendra has arrived in Delhi after being summoned by the BJP National President JP Nadda. That's the latest news that we're getting you right now. The Kerala BJP State President K. Surendra has arrived in Delhi after being summoned by BJP National President JP Nadda. There are leaders who are likely to meet after 10 a.m. this morning. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Ashwin to give us more details. Ashwin, what are you getting with regards to the latest development about K. Surendra being summoned by the top brass in Delhi?
Crispino, the BJP unit in the state of Kerala has been facing quite a bit of trouble after three different cases have emerged. The first one being a money heist, which has now been alleged to be a Hawala transaction to the tune of rupees 3.5 crores. Another one, a candidate of BSP has also come out on phrase saying that K. Surendran has paid him amount to a tune of rupees 2.5 lakhs to withdraw from contesting against him. And the third one being another ally of the NDA, CK Janu, who contested from Sultan Bathery. There is a allegation by her colleague that Janu was paid rupees 10 lakh by K. Surendran. So there are three main allegations which have come against him, and this has become a furore in the state of Kerala, and that is why these issues have been going on in the Kerala media for the last few days. And now the National President JP Nadda has called him to Delhi, has been summoned to Delhi. So it certainly looks like the High Command has also want to know what are the things that has happened. Also very important to note, Crispino, is that a three-member committee has been formed headed by Metro Man E. Sridharan to look at the election expenditure by the party. So the party has made an inbuilt system itself to check whether what are the amount which has come for the election work has been duly used and audit is being done. So all these things put together, it looks like he will be asked on the status of the BJP state in Kerala, as well as what are the allegations that have been raised against him. And these things will be discussed by the National President JP Nadda with K. Surendran.
Also, there's been a lot of mudslinging of words over this Hawala racket being blown out of proportions. The Kerala BJP State President K. Surendra now having been booked, and the party dismissing the allegations, calling it a conspiracy against the party, and they've also slammed and taken on Pinarayi Vijayan over this.
Absolutely. BJP has completely denied any of these allegations and has said this is a concerted effort to bring down the BJP, which is rising as a main contender against both the parties, which is the Congress and the CPM. So the BJP has the state BJP has taken a tough stance against them and has denied all the allegations, and they are fighting it out. But the number of loopholes which has been presented, especially with there are a number of audio tapes which has come out, and several other cases that has come out. It definitely has put K. Surendran in a very sticky wicket, and he has to come out clean from this.